Breathe in slowly, softly. Breathe out gently. I am here in this moment, fully present, fully aware. My mind is clear. My thoughts are calm. I release all tension, all stress, all worry. I let go and I soften. My body is relaxed, my breath is steady. I feel peace flowing through me. I am focused, centered, grounded. Slowly let go of everything you don't need right now. You are safe, you are calm, you are at ease. Your body is relaxing, your mind is quieting. Every breath brings clarity, every moment brings calm. I trust myself, I trust this moment. I am safe, I am at ease. I am grateful for this breath. I am grateful for this stillness. I am grateful for this life. Peace fills me from within. Love surrounds me gently, warmly. I welcome calm energy. I welcome lightness. I welcome joy. I allow myself to enjoy life, to feel free, to feel love. My heart is open, my mind is quiet, my soul is peaceful. Everything is exactly as it should be. I am enough, I am whole, I am at peace. Releases tension, every exhale melts away stress. There is nothing to worry about, nothing to fix, nothing to chase. Just this moment, gentle, peaceful, still. Your shoulders are soft, your jaw is loose, your breath flows naturally. You are drifting into calm, into comfort, into peace. All stress is dissolving, all heaviness is fading. You are light, you are free, you are relaxed. Your thoughts are slowing like clouds passing by. No pressure, no expectations, just calm, just ease, just being. You deserve this peace, you deserve this rest, you deserve to feel good. Your body knows how to relax, your to be still. Trust it, allow it, feel it. A gentle wave of calm washing over you again and again. You are safe, you are supported, you are deeply relaxed. Breathe in peace, calm, breathe out stress, tension. Breathe in gratitude, peace. Breathe out love. I am calm, I am focused, I am free. Stress, you are calm, you are free, you are at peace, and so it is.